I don't think I always knew I wanted to be an attorney at law. It wasn't like from when I was a small child. I had always dreamed of becoming an attorney at law. Most members of my family are medical doctors, and I knew that I wasn't going to follow that career path because I was always very squeamish. And one time I went on a school trip to the blood bank and I almost fainted, and that sort of sealed the deal for me. But I was also always intrigued by watching various shows on TV with lawyers and how they appeared in court, and I was always fascinated and thought it was so exciting. But from a more serious point of view, I've always wanted to be a part of a profession where I feel I could make a difference and make a contribution to making our society more just, fair, and even a safer place in which we can live. I really enjoyed my years at the Manley Law School. I consider those 2 years at the law school part of my formative years as an individual and as a future member of the legal profession. I felt myself mature. I felt myself becoming more confident and somewhat less shy and reserved. I participated in various activities of the Manley Law School Association. I became involved in the Young Attorney. The experience as editor of the Young Attorney, I think, was really significant because it exposed me to writing for publication, and in fact I enjoyed the experience so much that now as an academic, I still continue to research, write, and publish. Some of my favorite moments at the law school included participating in law school activities like sports day, and I also remember being a witness in mock trials for my friends, where I took on the persona of different types of characters, really, so I felt like I was an actress. But I enjoyed very much the instruction that we received at the law school. I enjoyed us doing things like going to the legal aid clinic and interacting with persons who are in need of legal advice. I also found it very important when we went on trips to the court as part of our court attendance, and to actually see, real cases and observe and feel like one day I'll be able to be a part of this. There were a number of memorable lecturers and tutors who were very inspirational to me, and I remember them quite fondly, including persons like Dennis Morrison, Dennis Goff, Dorcas White, Mr. Mangal, and Mr. Carson, to name a few. But and Justice Algernon Smith were some of the lecturers and tutors that I recall who I thought had a significant impact on the way in which I addressed my work and became inspired to do for my future career. Most of my career has been in academia. I practiced for a while at the Attorney General's chambers, and that practical exposure has been significant for me. But the majority of my time I have been an academic. I was once a full-time lecturer at the Manley Law School, and then I came back to the law faculty, where I've been since 2012. And now I'm both an academic and an administrator here at the law faculty. I continue to tutor at the law school. I teach ethics, rights, and obligations of the legal profession. I really enjoy doing it. But I think it's very important that we continue to teach ethics as a mandatory subject in the law school, because the future of the legal profession and the future of attorneys at law, depends on them abiding by the standards of the profession. And attorneys become involved in so many areas of their clients' lives, their property, their money, their freedom, their livelihood, that it's very important that they maintain a standard that is not only honorable to the profession, but it represents each and every one of us in a positive light to the public. And we are respected as persons who have a high standard of honesty, integrity, and trustworthiness.